This here is a robotic suitcase. No, I'm not lying to you, and no, this is not the future. It is literally present day, a suitcase that follows you. Now, this was possible due to the good folks at Power Cowarobot, in which, if you want your very own, be sure to check out their link down below in the description. Now, this video is sponsored by
Avexa TV, the best live TV streaming service around for only $35 for over 8,000 plus live channels. Install on your favorite device, Android, iOS, set-top box, or Fire Stick.
The way it works is kind of interesting. It has a variety of different sensors, a camera, as well as wheels that literally come out and go back in whenever you need to. Now, it follows you based on a wrist strap that you wear. And it also has an integrated lock on the front as well as USB ports on the back, so you can go ahead and charge your devices on the go. So overall, it seems like a well-rounded suitcase for your average needs. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a closer look at this thing before we try it out. So in terms of quality goes, they did a phenomenal job with this. I mean, I love the whole design of it. It's got these nice grooves built into it, giving it a very attractive kind of feel to it. Now, even the wheels have their logos, it's got an S integrated into it, and it says Power Cowarobot on the bottom. And then on the bottom here, you'll actually see the wheels kind of retracted in there. And then as soon as you turn it on, they'll come out as it follows you. Now, it's made out of a very nice solid feel. And then as we kind of rotate, you'll see that on this side right over here, we have our USB ports here, so we can go ahead and plug our devices on the go. And then on the front here, we have ourselves a locking mechanism, default password 000, and then you just go and turn it just like this, and voila, we have our storage compartments. So the moment you open it up, literally it smells like, I don't know how to describe it, but just like flowers, and it's really fresh, and I don't know what they used on this thing, but every time you open it, you smell it. Now, in terms of the compartments goes, so you have a lot of different things going on here. You have a few different zippers. You have a place for storage over here. You have another storage area over here, and it's literally a carry-on suitcase to its full extent. Now, all the mechanisms and all the contractions are here in the bottom corner. So it is a battery pack here that has a locking mechanism just like that, and you can go ahead and take out the battery. Now, it's not that heavy. You can press the power button here and you can see the battery life as well. You got two USB ports here as well, so you can use it as a charging block too. And this will go ahead and just slide back into place, lock it in, and then you press this power button to use the suitcase as you wish. So without further ado, let's go ahead and set this thing up and see what it's all about. All right, so we're all set and ready to go. We actually have this thing on. You see the blinking light, meaning that it's ready to connect. So the way it works is kind of interesting. You go ahead and lift up this handle, and throughout the handle, you'll see there's a variety of different sensors. So the way it connects is there's a button here on the side. So I just go ahead and press this, and I'll go ahead and link up to my wrist bracelet, and there we go. Now it's following. So it's actually not that bad in terms of the distance. It doesn't really scare you, like this thing is really, really close to me, but that's awesome. Look at that. So let's just go ahead and kind of run for it and see what exactly happens in terms of how fast this thing is. Okay, you ready? All right, let's do it. It lost me for a second and it literally found me. That is pretty crazy. Let's go over here. See it going over different terrains, which is really cool as well. This is awesome. Now, the way you stop it, for instance, if I don't want it to follow me anymore, I just simply put my hand on top of this blue blinking light. The wheels will retract back inside and you can use it as a regular suitcase. So yeah, there you guys have it. This here is a Power Cowarobot robotic suitcase. Now, if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.